flat yung tires. Flat siya ng konti. You can see flat yung tires. Flat siya ng konti. So, try. Buti na lang syempre at meron akong tire inflator. So, madali lang naman. Hopefully, kaya niyang i-inflate lahat. Okay, let's see. Kasi safety, nakauwi ng bahay and di naman siya totally flat talaga. Apologies, sobrang ingay, but kailangan lang talaga siya ng hangin na madami-dami. So pump lang natin and then I'll check the other tires as well. See you later, fam!
A few moments later.
Hello, fam! Good morning!
Good morning, Calgary! Maayong buntag!
Good afternoon and
Maayong
good evening to
adlaw.
all.
Woo! Today, syempre, we're going to church. It's Sunday and sa Southeast na naman.
Yes!
We're burning gasoline. We're burning gas here.
Buti na lang
Yeah.
mababa lang ang gasolina sa Alberta.
Yes. So, yeah, today mag-aano lang kami, mag-church lang. And then perhaps later baka pumunta kaming Chinook just to try out again one of our favorite food, Persian food. But then syempre, dapat kasamang the other fam bams.
Yeah.
So, alright? So, just starting the day. Hope everyone is having a great weekend so far.
It's
And,
sunny in Calgary, pero malamig pa
super
rin
sunny.
syempre. Anong
Sobrang
degree dad?
Lamig, yeah.
Oo.
Lagi naman.
Oo.
Okay, so that's all. And see you guys later.
And we're done sa church na, fam. Ngayon, papunta naman kami ng Chinook place. Chinook Mall.
No. Tapat ng Chinook Club.
Tapat pala.
Kasi
Chinook area?
may ita-try kami.
Yeah.
Shawarma Palace.
So, recommended siya ng isa sa aming kapamilya, si Kuya Jojo. Sabi niya, itry daw namin ang Shawarma Palace. Meron silang mga ilang branches, pero itong itatry namin today is yung malapit sa Chinook.
Yeah.
Kasama ang
Bago
aming
ba?
fam-bam.
So, samahan niyo ulit kami and tingnan natin kung gaano kasarap.
Yep.
Nakakamiss din kasi laging yun yung isa sa pagkain namin, Uncle Sal's place in Richmond.
Yes, nakakamiss din
Lagi
yan.
talaga kami, like every week or every other week, nagsha-shawarma talaga kami. So, mahilig kaming mag-try and Persian food is one of our favorite.
Correct.
So, right, see you later. Tikman natin.
Bye!
Bye!
And we're here! Ayun na pala, Shawarma Palace. Dami na namang makakain ng aking mga Junakis.
Bakit hindi siya dito?
Ewan ko dyan.
Hey fam, nandito na kami. Excited na kumain sa Shawarma Palace. Picture mo na tayo, love? Yeah? Okay. There you go. Yan yung place. And nasa loob na ang aking family. Siyempre, halal. Ito yung place na. There you go. Check it out. Platter and baka mag-platter kami. And siyempre yung wrap nila is shawarma. Okay. Ayan yung pwedeng lagay. Cucumber, greens, tomatoes, onions.
The 9, yes. You can put
12.
sauce on the 8. Can you put the sauce on the side, please? For the 8. For the, yeah, for 8. You put sauce on the
Middle Eastern food fiesta.
Halal foods tayo today.
Sarap.
Where do you want to sit down there?
Oh, alright.
A few moments later.
Where are you going, Lian? Milk tea! Milk tea! Yan, milk tea. Gongcha milk tea. Mag-franchise na lang tayo nito, Sep.
What you do is you're gonna grab here really tight, okay? See right here? You grab onto that super tight, hold on, and you can pull it out like that, and you can let it hang like a spider would do with its web. There we go.
That is
If you want to wind it back in, all you do, you take this and you turn this little gear and it winds all the way back up. Just like that. And then where it gets really fun is you go like this. Ready? Watch. There you go. It's pretty cool. How much is that?
Nice.
It's $16.99 for that guy. It's one of our 3-in-1s. You can turn it into a scorpion or a snake as well, which is really cool. Sweet. Alright, so hang on. Just over here in 3-in-1. It's like on the bottom shelf.
Wow. David, you need to return that. Yeah, we'll check it out. We'll check it out, sir.
Yeah, check it out. Right?
Thank
Do you want me
you.
to show you where it is? I'll show you that one if you do. It's pretty cool, eh?
You can flip the wings, and then open the engine up, whatever you want to
Wow. How do you turn this again?
do. Yeah, so on the side here, you just have to press that inwards.
Press,
And it'll
press
shoot out the
it.
other side,
Wow.
and you
Then you press back it.
press it back in. There you go. Wow, you're natural.
Wow. Ganda.
You're like your own little pilot.
Hey fam, nandito na kami sa bahay. Whew. Happy Sunday everyone. Sobrang saya. And madami kaming napuntahan today. From church to Shawarma Palace, which is very, very good. Nag-enjoy kami. And yung mga fam-bam namin, sina Joseph and the Kuya Alan's family. So I hope you guys like the video and the vlog today. Happy weekend everyone, and have a good weekday ahead. So please like, share, and subscribe to our Alba Fam Bam YouTube channel, and keep safe and hang loose.